There you go, frequency on a bit of a black cloud. I don't know what time, I forgot to look. I think it's knocking on 1 o'clock around there, is it?
12:42.
12:42! Give or take, no time whatsoever, but camera will disagree anyway. And there's a black chem over that way. Oh, shit. Yeah, black chem facing that way. It's the next marks the spot with a white chem. I don't know. So, yeah, it'll be a Manchester flight, no doubt. Anyway, thought I'd bring you that. Actually, I'll just correct that. Now I can see it better. It's actually a shadow of a chem, next marks the spot. So, it just appeared like a black chem at first. But when the sun went behind that bit of black cloud, it stood out a lot different. And actually the chem that goes across it, it's a lot older on this side. You've got, it seems to be a lot thinner when you get to the left hand side of the X. You can tell what I mean anyway. There's a dodgy looking cloud, dodgy looking chem. Anyway, there you go. Right, never noticed Cat Point. There's that bulky trail there, but I never noticed there's two down this way as well. If you can see it, I'm struggling to hold the camera, to be honest, I can't point it out. But there's the X up there, and then some more over that way. No focus on that, eh? No. Never mind. Hey, I was just watching that and foreman coming towards us. Hey, it's an F-15 at 31,000 feet. He's gone into cloud. Hey? I know. Not very green, no. I can just about make it out in the cloud, but it's pretty close to us now. Make that out. It's about there. Where are we? There, sorry. Should be. I can see it, but what the hell, let's get in for this. Straight across. It's been buzzing around. He went across, come up from the south, went across to Carlisle, and he's on his way back, I guess. But yeah, it's an F-15 that's done that. USAF, yeah. Right, let's get him booked in. There's no else to see. The clouds, there's just too much cloud. There is remains of a chem there. Chem splurt, whatever. Could just be a Draken. Right, west coast. Well, I'm here. Just above that dark cloud. Diagonal going down towards the right. Can't tell if it's still moving. There's a sprayer. Anyway, let's go and get this bugger. Dirty shits. If they don't do it with globe masters, they use bloody fighter jets to get us. So there's the first one. He's descending now, 31,000 feet when he was spraying. United States Air Force, Foxtrot -15. Registration 92-0364, which is Alpha Echo 17 Bravo 0. and it's flight Golf November 11. Bit of an odd one. What the hell? Snot rocket. So there's with Snot rocket West Coast. So it's the only one on there. I've looked up. There's only one there. There's this one going south. A lot further away. We'll have a lake district. We can't see that far at the moment. Right, so British Airways Airbus A320-232 BAW operator code. The altitude would be around 30,000, but I can't put anything down, to be honest. It's not right to do that. Registration Golf Dash Echo Uniform Yankee Echo, which is 40691, and its flight is it's another ship one. Sierra Hotel Tango 8 Tango. That's going from Heathrow to Edinburgh. Well, that's the view directly west at the moment. Two up there, new ones, three ones. See what we've got. One, or maybe two that are even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over there. Because there's two together going that way. Right, over to the northwest. That'll be one of them, no doubt, over top of buildings. Right, over this way, to the north, there's that one to the northeast now. I'm watching that, it was over here, it's bloody massive. And there's another one behind there somewhere, which you can't make out. Alright, we've got one of the climbers from Edinburgh over there. If that cloud wasn't in the way, I got a good shot on that one. I really would, because I've been watching it. Anyway, more activity over here at the moment. To the west means we're going to couple that lot. Right. I need my brew. And speak of the devil, there's that one I'm at least looking at. And I've got another one coming through, trailing as it goes. I better get that one. He started spraying back there. Pretty much a solid start on that one. Not below it. And it's still going as it goes into clouds there. A few scratches where planes have been. Up that way, but these are coming in fast, you know, from west. Right, he's still going, like I say, into cloud. Sharp white line cutting through the cloud. Well, that's the one coming towards us at 32,000 feet. It's a Ryanair EI-HMT operator code. Edinburgh to Sofia in Bulgaria. It's a Boeing 737 MAX 8-200. Registration is Echo India Hotel Mike Tango, which is 4 Charlie Alpha Delta 3 Charlie. And his flight is Romeo Yankee Romeo 8 Echo Lima. Now from other side of the house, all that lot to the west, there's that one. How bloody spread that is. So we've got that one coming over. There's another one. No, it isn't the same one. Right. It's hard to tell which one's done what. That is a very, very wide trail there. Oh hell, it's a lot worse than I bloody thought. Look at this lot. This is to the south side of the house. See what I mean about the thickness of that trail? That's well spread. Actually, I think there's two there, to be honest. Because it's got knots on a rope here, and then the trail continues. It's likely that 2 could have gone over there, maybe more. It could just be 1 spread, it could be 2. Doesn't really matter anyway, I can't really chest these, can I? You can see all the scars we've got here off them. It's too bloody cold to be out here, it takes my breath. Rainbow effect on that one. One below it. It's a mess, isn't it? So I mean, it's getting closer. They're very fast moving, these. Very fast moving. Right. Dodgy here. And that up there is the Ryanair trail. Watched it heading out. Stung us straight across. There were lots of mess of chemicals in it. Certainly a chemical weather day. Very messy. Right. I'm going in on bloody frozen. That one's fast, that's got to be an Alka. Where are we? Oh. Long trail across the Ryanair 34,000 now. Still going in over there. 34,000 feet, Ryanair. Well, that's with Ryanair that stung us. He was at 33,000 feet going from Edinburgh to Bucharest. It's a Boeing 737 MAX 8-200. Registration Echo India Hotel Echo Zulu. Which is 4 Charlie Alpha Charlie 1 Foxtrot. And his flight is Romeo Yankee Romeo 23 Echo Yankee. And the plane that's just gone by with the nice tight contrail is that one from Amsterdam to Edinburgh, KLM Rolled Up Airlines, BXI. As regards the West, all this lot, God, they're all guilty, what the hell, it's a mess. As I say, they should all be inspected, the pilots should all be grounded. Sorry, I don't give a shit if it's the living, they're killing everybody. And they're happy with it, so they should all be grounded. And it continues that way. It's a bit of a dodgy one. This one here. Look at that lot. Ryanair. Just gone by. Some other ones, older ones. Older trails. This bloody mess of chemical here. How the hell? Then we go down to the west. Messy. They don't do this though. I don't know, they should all be grounded. Every pilot should lose their licence. All the planes should be grounded and inspected. That's all there is to it. And all the bloody politicians should be arrested as well. They should have gone first. But, well, never mind. And still looking west but out to the front, or south side of the house. Got that look coming in. A closer look. The sun is completely fuzzed out. Wow, messy. A whole lot toxic as far as I'm concerned here. And yet, up there, plane coming in with a little contrail, nice and tidy. They should be commended, at least for that. And then you get the rest of it. Look at that. Wow. And up here to the south, being hit with frequencies again. And I can feel them today as well. Aye, it's about 4:15. They're still spraying, as you can probably tell. There's 3 British Airways going up that way at the moment. One of them was spraying, so I'm told. I ain't got a bloody clue which one out of that. Ryanair trail again. But Christ, this is unbelievable, isn't it? There's 3 British Airways gone that way. I'm not getting the info for them, but they've done it. There's one still going there. Now, it's a mess. Go on this way. New trail. That's the one that was out the back. He's just gone off that way. And let's get some pictures. Wow, messy, innit? See, that one that was spraying there is up there now. Right the way back. Well, there they are. British Airways, British Airways, British Airways. The last one just gone by. 35,000 feet. London City to Edinburgh. Charlie Foxtrot Echo is his operator code. 35 descending. It's an Embraer Echo Mike Bravo -190 Sierra Romeo. Charlie Foxtrot Echo operator code BA CityFlyer. And his registration is Golf-Lima Charlie Yankee Romeo, which is 40676 Alpha, and his flight is Charlie Foxtrot Echo 561. the other two. Oh, that's the KLM, that's the one that got us. Right, I see. British Airways, let's just book them in. Heathrow to Edinburgh, Airbus A321-251 November X-ray, which is BAW operator code, Golf-November Echo Oscar Whiskey, which is 4077 Echo 0, and his flight is, they're always on these, SHT 8 Yankee. He was 34,000. This one was 34. Now at 36, is going across to the States. Bit of a new one, this one. Heathrow to Seattle Tacoma. It's Boeing 777-236 in brackets Echo Romeo. BAW again is now at 35,700, but it was 34 when I went out. Registration Golf-Victor India India Hotel, which is 4005 Charlie 0. His flight is Bravo Alpha Whiskey 49. And the one to the east of us is this one. He's going into Glasgow from Amsterdam. He's stung us. It's KLM operator code. It'll be Royal Dutch Airlines, but they're not, for some reason they're not showing that today. Amsterdam, Glasgow, KLM, altitude, I don't know, doesn't matter, I'm going to have to leave that blank. It's an Embraer Echo 195-Echo 2. Registration Papa Hotel November X-Ray Foxtrot, which is 486483, and is on flight Kilo Lima Mike 55 Charlie. So it's crazy, you see they go across in swarms, it's mad. But I was told about them spraying. They saw two from the back, I caught one from the front. See, Debbie's just nipped at school, pick up Bailey, Debbie and Jamie, and they noticed two of them. And I got the third one.